Are you dreaming of a living room that feels inviting and cozy every time you walk in? We've got the cozy tips to transform your space into a relaxing haven you'll never want to leave. Oversized armchairs and sofas are essential. Choose pieces that beg you to sit and unwind, with enough seating options for everyone to feel at home. Lighting can change the feel of a room. Use floor lamps and candles to fill the space with a soft, inviting glow that's perfect for those cozy nights in. Texture is your best friend when it comes to a cozy vibe. Think soft throws, velvet cushions, and linen curtains to create an experience that invites you to relax. A few meaningful art pieces placed thoughtfully can create visual interest without overwhelming the room. Are you ready to find your ideal style and design a living room that suits your vibe? Take our fun style quiz to discover the perfect decor choices for your home. Just click the link in the description below. Plants naturally bring a sense of serenity into any space. Whether it's a tall indoor plant or small ones dotted around, greenery adds a refreshing touch of calm. Warm neutrals and earthy tones create a relaxing backdrop. Add deep accent colors through throws or for a personal touch. Your cozy living room should be as practical as it is beautiful. Make sure furniture is easy to move and that pathways remain clear. Arrange furniture around a coffee table or use rugs to divide larger rooms into more intimate zones. Which cozy living room idea inspired you the most? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make your home a place you'll love.